In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a template in Canva. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media posts, create eye-catching slides, or put together a stunning flyer, Canva offers an impressive range of templates that can be easily tweaked to suit your needs. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to Canva and log into your account. This is your gateway to a vast collection of templates and design tools. If you don't have an account yet, signing up is quick and easy. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Canva dashboard, a central hub where creativity meets functionality. Now, let's get familiar with the search bar. Hover your mouse towards the middle of the dashboard and you'll spot it right away. The search bar is your best friend when it comes to navigating Canva's extensive library of templates. It's a powerful tool that enables you to pinpoint the exact design you're looking for. Next, it's time to let your fingers do the walking. Type in the kind of template you're interested in, be it birthday invitation, business card, or Instagram post. As you type, Canva's intelligent search will offer suggestions and show results that match your query, ensuring you find the most relevant options at a glance. Once you've landed on a template that catches your eye, click to select it. Canva's seamless interface is designed to usher you into the world of creation with just a click, bringing up the template in a ready-to-edit format. Now you're one step closer to transforming it into a masterpiece of your own. The magic truly begins when you click Customize this template. This action opens up a multitude of possibilities, allowing you to tailor the template's features to perfectly align with your vision. It's here that creativity knows no bounds, and you can explore different ways to make the design your own. One of the simplest yet effective changes you can make is to customize the font. With a plethora of fonts to choose from, you can convey the right tone and personality through your text. Experiment with different styles until you find one that resonates with what you're aiming to communicate. Beyond fonts, don't shy away from exploring the background customization options. Change up the colors, add images, or play around with different layouts to see what works best. Canva's user-friendly design tools give you the freedom to experiment without fear, fostering within you the confidence to create something truly unique. And there we have it. With these steps, you can effortlessly edit and personalize a template in Canva. Remember, every tweak and adjustment you make can significantly elevate your design from good to extraordinary. Feel free to explore beyond these suggestions and let your imagination guide your creative process. Happy designing!